Welcome to Model Hot Seat, where I will be asking a bunch of questions to the model.
Model?
So there's no thinking, nothing. You just have to, whatever's on your mind, you just say.
Just say.
Are you ready, model?
Oh, I am
ready.
By
the way, this is David Billa.
Yes.
I should have said that.
Model. Model David Billa.
Alright, so let's get started. If you could buy any type of food right now, what would you buy?
Kotroti.
What color is your toothbrush?
Blue.
If you could be any animal, what would it be and why?
Lion. So I'll be the king of the jungle.
Who is your favorite superhero?
Iron Man.
Who do you admire the most?
My parents.
What is your favorite summer activity?
Flying somewhere to Europe. I love Europe.
Who is your favorite cartoon character?
Mr. Bean.
If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Switzerland. Fix my hair.
What is your dream job?
I want to be an actor, but right now, nurse.
Are you a morning or night person?
Night.
What's your favorite hobby?
Going to the gym.
Oh, okay, cool. What is one thing that annoys you the most?
When people take food from my plate. Get mad.
Okay, describe yourself in 3 words, quick.
Trim. Nice, smart, handsome.
Ooh,
Model, remember that.
4th. Okay, what is your favorite joke?
Favorite joke? My life is a joke.
That's a good one.
Yes.
What would you do if you went to Mars?
I would just live there, work there, if they give me a job, and then probably find a girl there, if a girl is there, whatever. Life moves on.
Okay, and where would you go if you were invisible?
Invisible?
Don't say the girl's bathroom.
ஐயோ இல்ல எனக்கு அந்த பிடிக்காத 2-3 பேர் இருக்கணும் அவங்களுக்குள்ள போய் அப்படியே பயம் காட்டி நைட்மேர்லாம் வேற வச்சு.
What is one thing you own that you wish you didn't?
Yes, every time, messaging, liking, the kannu போயிட்டு போல பார்த்து cell phone.
Describe the perfect kiss in 3 words.
Perfect kiss. அந்த சாப்பிடக்குள்ள வந்து அந்த மெல்ட் பண்ணி போகும் அந்த சாக்லேட் தானே கேக்குறீங்க Hershey's Kisses.
Girl and boy kiss.
ஐயோ no அது
Alright, what is your biggest addiction?
Biggest addiction. I watch a lot of Netflix. Yeah. And I stay up until like 3 a.m. something. It's insomnia.
Netflix and chill?
Netflix and chill by myself. By myself.
If anyone wants to join David Billa at 3 a.m. What is one thing you're most afraid of?
Most afraid of? Oh, what my mom might say if I post a video. And if she says take it off, then I have to take it off.
Oh really? You do take it off?
Yeah.
Oh nice.
And amma vandu or Instagram வச்சிருக்கா அது வந்து no profile nothing just to see whatever I post. Critique பண்றதுக்கு.
If you could paint anything, what would you paint?
What would I paint? I would paint myself.
What celebrity annoys you the most?
நான் யோசிச்சு சொல்லணும். விஜய்னு சொன்னா அப்புறம் விஜய் ஃபாலோவர்ஸ் போயிடுவாங்க. இப்போ விளங்குதா? சிவகார்த்திகேயன் சொன்னா சிவகார்த்திகேயன் ஃபாலோவர்ஸ் போயிடுவாங்க. So I think I would say Christian Bale. He annoys me the most.
What is the most interesting thing you have in your wallet?
So my old high school profile ID.
What is the meanest thing you've ever said to someone?
கணக்க சொல்லி இருக்கிறேன் நான் எதை சொல்றேன்னு தெரியாது. Meanest thing. கணக்க சொல்லி இருக்கிறேன்.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how cool are you?
I am always hard 10. People know you know me. I'm always 10.
How long does it take you to get ready?
Then காலமலமினா வெள்ளம் இருக்குதா சோப்பு போட்டோமா திரும்ப போட்டோமா வெளிக்கிட்டோமா. Only 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
What store do you shop at the most?
No frills.
What is the first thing you notice about someone when you first meet them?
Their smile. அந்த புன்னகை பூவே அது பாட்டு. But yeah, you mean the புன்னகை.
Oh man, I was gonna dance. Okay.
The புன்னகை.
What compliment do people give you the most?
You're a funny guy, bro. Bro, you're hilarious, man. Bro, we love you, man.
What word would you add to the dictionary if you could?
Summarian. There's a deep meaning behind summarian.
Yeah, what does it mean?
Summarian is sheep. And the sheep is whole sheep.
Yeah.
அது வந்து இப்போ அவங்களோட லீடர்ஷிப் வந்து ஒரு ஹில்லில் இருந்து ஜம்ப் பண்ணினா அப்படியே பின்னால போய் ஜம்ப் பண்ணிடுவீங்க because they think that they have to follow the leader out of whatever happens they have to follow the leader அப்படி செய்றார்கள் செம்மறியர்கள் செம்மறியன் அப்படி கணக்கு இருக்குது எரும மாடன் குரங்கன் the list goes on.
What is your favorite Halloween costume?
அந்த வெஜிட் அப்படி போட்டுட்டு ரெண்டு ஓட்டு கண்ணுக்குள்ள போட்டு it's funny and also it's kind of scary, you know.
Cheap too, right?
It's very cheap.
Yeah, you can find it at home.
Yeah.
If you could teach any grade, what would it be?
Any grade? இப்பத்திய 13-14 வயசுக்குள்ளே very aggressive அடிச்சு பிச்சிருக்கல போயலாது. So I would say 5-6.
Grade 5 and 6?
Oh no.
Oh, like age is
5 and 6.
So senior kindergarten.
சின்ன பிள்ளைகளுக்கு அந்த ஸ்டோரியை வாசிக்கலாம் இல்லாட்டி.
It's not that easy. It's still hard.
It's not that easy?
No.
I say no teaching. No teaching.
Okay. What is your best feature?
Best feature? Oh wait, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Have you bought the tickets for the gun show?
What gun show?
Shout out to my guy Zeus. Thank you bro. Thank you for changing me.
Yeah,
Love
you know, a lot of changes. Very good.
எல்லாம் ஜூஸுக்கே எல்லா புகழும் ஜூஸுக்கே போ.
Alright, next question. What is your favorite song?
ஒத்தையடி பாதையில தாவியோடுற அதான்.
Oh, I thought yo, you're so good, man.
No.
Can you actually do
Stop it, yeah.
No, stop it. No.
Okay guys, இந்த பாட்டை நான் மர்டர் பண்ணினேன்டா, please forgive me. உங்களோட ModelMeUp கேட்டதால I'm going to sing. Ready?
Ready.
ஒத்தையடி பாதையில தாவியோடுற அத்த பெத்த பூங்குயில தேடி வாடுற சந்தன மாலை அழுது ஆள ஐயோ என் கிளி மேல சங்கிலி போல சேர தோணுது சக்கர ஆள சொக்குது ஆள மாலை மாத்த மாம வரட்டுமா கண்மணியே. At the end I'll try something different.
Yo, when Reshma vocals comes down,
yeah,
we're going to do another one of these. Yeah, it's gonna be good.
எப்படி ஓகே வாடுனது ஓகே.
Oh, you're so good.
என்ன மாதிரி
You
ஓகே
can go to Super Singer actually. You should go to, yeah, really. You're really good. Really good. Like, especially if you put on the spot and sing like that. That's really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcomes. It's a lot of welcomes in my head right now, you know.
You just blessed all the viewers, you know? Their ears have been blessed. So next question. If you could win any award, what would it be?
Best actor.
If you could teleport, where would you go?
Switzerland.
Again.
I love Switzerland. Oh my god.
How do you like your steak cooked?
Steak, not medium, but very well done. I want everything to be brown.
Yeah.
If there's red inside, I won't eat it.
What do you eat for breakfast?
3 eggs, and then 1/2 a salmon fillet, and 1 whole wheat roti.
You cook it all by yourself?
Yes, I do.
Wow. What is your dream car?
Nissan GTR Nismo!
Where were you born?
Jaffna, Sri Lanka.
What type of underwear do you wear?
Lacoste.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a lot of pets. Okay, I have 2 tarantulas, 1 hamster, 1 leopard gecko, it's a lizard, and I have a lot of beta fighting fish, and my dad has a lot of finches. It's a mini zoo, come please.
Tarantula.
Yeah, spiders.
What is your nickname?
My nickname?
Do you have one?
People scream Billa in the road and run away, so I think that's the nickname. Billa.
Favorite color?
Blue.
What is your best childhood memory?
When I was in grade 6 or 7, so there was a snake. We were playing cricket and there was a snake in the middle of the field. So now, I don't know what I was thinking. I ran, grabbed the snake by the tail. அப்படியே சுத்திட்டு எறிஞ்சிட்டு போறான்.
How old were you?
I was, I think, 12, I guess. அதனாலதான் I have no fear for the snakes, spiders, insects. I have no fear.
Can you teach me how to get over my fear?
Yes.
I'm scared of everything.
My friend has a snake. I'll bring it next time I come.
Okay, don't invite him into our house again. Bed size?
It's a queen bed.
Favorite flower?
மல்லிகை முட்டு.
Want to sing that song? Last person you went to dinner with?
Last person. Oh, yesterday I went with Dushi. From Rain Events Dushi, Ram Agaradi, and a couple of our friends.
What is success to you?
Success to you. You wake up every morning and you know that people like you, and you know that there's a good income, and you know that you are doing a positive impact. That is success.
What makes you smile?
What makes me smile? Everything. I mean, what makes me smile?
But what makes you angry?
What makes me angry? When people put their hand in my sapadu plate, then that's a different story, isn't it? But normally, like small things, everything makes me smile. I'm not a very angry person. Sapadu விஷயத்துல
Who did you kiss last?
Huh?
Who did you kiss last?
எங்க
Chokkula.
Chokku.
Thalayila.
Chokkula வந்து my friend.
Your friend?
Yeah. Oh, and also a couple of fans. They kiss me and they expect me to kiss them back in their chokku. Male fans. Oh, girl. அவங்க ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. விஜய் சேதுபதி செய்யற மாதிரி நீ சேட்டுலி கட்டுவாங்க.
Cold or hot?
Cold.
Mother or father?
Mother.
Wet or dry?
Dry.
Quality of life or quantity of life?
Quality of life.
iPhone or Android?
Android.
Do you snore?
Yeah, when I'm very, very, very tired and I sleep, I snore.
The last time you cried?
I failed a subject in university and I was heartbroken. But I passed it the next semester.
Good. Motivation. Okay, what challenges you?
Wow, that's a deep question. What challenges me? இப்போ இந்த காமெடி ஃபீல்டில் இப்போ நான் ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டேன்னா அதை பீப்புள் பார்த்து ஷேர் பண்ணி நல்ல கமெண்ட்ஸ் வந்தால் இட் மோட்டிவேட்ஸ் மீ. அதே நேரத்தில் அந்த வீடியோ ஃப்ளாப் ஆகி ஒருத்தரும் லைக் பண்ணாமல் கொஞ்சம் குறைய ஏதாவது வியூவர்ஸ் வந்தால் that challenges me. Next time அடிக்கிறேன்டா, that challenging thought. Yeah, in real life நான் இன்னும் அந்த லெவலுக்கு வர இல்லை. So I'm still like very childish, man. I'm 25, but I'm still very childish. So hopefully God will put that adult, short be marry adulthood and two where in the next.
With that said, this concludes our Model Hot Seat episode with David Billa. So stay tuned for next time where I bring another special guest appearance. Till then, signing out, it's ModelMeUp and
thank you. என்னையும் ஒரு மாடல் என்று சொல்லி மெருகேத்தின ModelMeUp வாழ்க வளம்.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
All right, see you later.